turnout today for our event. All right. Well, good afternoon, Riverside and beyond. My name is Rusty Bailey. I'm the mayor of the city of Riverside, and we are here today to celebrate the power of partnerships. You can see some partners surrounding me today. Several of them will speak after I speak. And the first thing that I'm going to talk about is just gratitude and thanks. And obviously, it's an honor to be here with Ken Chin and Louis Huang and John Ye. John is the president and, Ken is the president of the Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce for the Greater Los Angeles. That is TACCLA for short. Louis Huang, the Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in Los Angeles. And John Ye, the Taiwanese Chambers of Commerce of North America Honorary President. We are here today to talk about how masks are medicine and to display and to show how masks are medicine. It's an honor to have these distinguished guests here in Riverside, and not only are they here visiting our city on this very warm summer day. If you can't tell, I'm sweating a little bit because it is a hot day, and they're making me look bad wearing their ties and jackets. So I thank them for, thank you for listening. Usually it's No Tie Friday in Riverside. So thank you, John, for listening to the mayor. Louis and Ken, thank you for being here on this warm summer day. Again, we're here to display the power of partnership, but more than that, we're here to save lives and to impress upon the public how important it is to mask up, because masks are medicine. We could not be in Riverside more grateful to the TACCLA for their generous donation of 50,000 masks. You see displayed in front of me, 50,000 masks, which will be used to fight the spread of COVID-19. They've chosen the city of Riverside because they truly understand and value the importance of wearing protective face coverings based on the notable success in Taiwan. If you haven't read, Taiwan is an incredible success story in terms of limiting the spread of COVID-19. These masks you see in front of me will be distributed to employees, first responders, police and firefighters, partner agencies that serve the homeless and the senior population of Riverside, and certainly to the public at large. As we all know, there are some very clear and simple ways to help stem COVID-19, one of which is wearing a face covering. With this donation, lives will undoubtedly be changed. Lives will be saved here in Riverside. Unfortunately, our city has seen nearly 180 deaths related to COVID-19. We all know this virus is not going to just magically disappear. We have to remain vigilant on our efforts to socially distance, to wear masks, to wash our hands, to stay safe. Our community is eager to open, eager to get back to school, to get on the sports fields, to be with others, to give our medical and health professionals some relief that they need, those first responders, healthcare workers, and to allow our families, to allow our frontline workers a moment to take a step back and to rest. It's so important to support our frontline healthcare workers. But the simple and selfless act that everybody can do is the act of wearing a mask. Not only protect yourself, but to protect others around you and to protect our healthcare workers. It's easy, it works, and now, thanks to TACCLA, it's even more accessible and doable to mask up. Gratitude and appreciation to the Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce and the Greater Los Angeles Chamber of Commerce for coordinating the national and local efforts to raise funds to acquire these face masks. I think that they've acquired almost 10 million masks and raised over $1 million to support this cause. And also, thank you very much from the bottom of this mayor's heart, on behalf of Riverside, for donating some of these masks to the city of Riverside, supporting our efforts to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. As I like to say, we are better together. We are better together in Riverside and the greater Los Angeles area. And what a better way to exemplify, there's no better way to exemplify that phrase than through this partnership and receiving this gift on behalf of the city of Riverside. Again, we appreciate you all listening in and watching today. From our community to yours, I say much love. As you can see the phrase here, Taiwan love. Well, much love from Riverside for this donation. Next, I'm going to introduce Kenneth Chin, the president of the Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce of Greater Los Angeles. Kenneth, would you share some words? Now we'll put my mask back on. It's that easy. It's that easy.
Okay. Thank you, Mayors Rusty Bear and TACCLA Director Generals Louis Huang and the Chamber's Honorary President Jiang Ye and all our friends. The whole program actually started from the one on my right side, the 10 million face masks for North Americans, led by the 32nd Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce of North America. Then our Los Angeles Chamber, I think they are all right. Then our Los Angeles Chambers continue to push our initiatives of the million face mask for Los Angeles. Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce is one of the major Taiwanese American chamber organizations in Los Angeles areas. And our members are great that we'll be able to help our local communities proceed through this COVID-19 pandemic. So today, I'm representing our chambers to donate the 50,000 face masks to the city of the Riverside. And we, as working together, we'll be able to make this city a safer place to live. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let me introduce the TACCLA Director General Louis Huang.
Mayor Rusty Bailey, President Kenneth Chen, Honorary President Jiang Ye of Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce of Greater Los Angeles. Good afternoon. Today I'm very pleased to join this event in witnessing the 50,000 masks donated by Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce. And up to today, this chamber has donated more than 10 million masks in North America. And on behalf of Taiwan Mission in Los Angeles, I'm also very pleased to share with you the information that Taiwan government has donated more than 60 million masks globally, including more than 10 million masks to the United States, from the federal government to the state government and local governments in the whole country. Why are we doing this? I want to share with you a little story about what Taiwan is all about. Taiwan started to become a democratic country in the past several decades. In the 50s and 60s, as a very poor country, we received U.S. aid from your country. So, and then starting from 50s and 60s, Taiwanese students came to your great country to pursue their further study. They stay on here, they become good citizens. They came to this country with several bucks in their pocket, and later on, they are successful in different fields. They want to do something to this country, to feedback. So that's why now Taiwanese Americans are donating more than 10 million masks to this country. And also, as your Secretary of State, Mike Pompeo, has been telling friends in this country and overseas that Taiwan is a reliable partner and also a force for good. That's very true. If you go to Taiwan and ask people, what would you like to do after you retire from your job, or even if you are still working as a professional, as a mobile vendor, as a construction worker, what would you like to do? I would be very confident to tell you 90% of Taiwanese citizens, they would say, we want to be volunteers to help others. So that's why we are doing this. I would like to echo the mayor's statement, like, love your neighbor. Yes, Taiwan is helping, and Taiwan can help as well. We believe and we know that COVID-19 is a global issue that we have to work together. And we hope today's donation is a small step, but this donation will invite more people to be contributing to the fight against COVID-19. Recently, U.S. Health Secretary Alex Azar just visited Taiwan to witness the signing of a memorandum of understanding between our two countries on health cooperation. And he went to Taiwan to tell the world Taiwan has been doing a great job. Among 23 million people, we only have less than 500 confirmed cases and only 7 deaths. So that's why these two countries are working together to fight COVID-19. And today I'm very proud to tell our friends in the city of Riverside, together with our Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce, the president and the former president. Today we are all Californians. Today we are all brave fighters of the city of Riverside to fight COVID-19 together. Yeah, and together we can make a change to make this pandemic disappear as soon as possible. Thank you, and hope the citizens of Riverside stay safe and strong. Thank you very much.
And lastly, I'd like to present a certificate of recognition to the Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce of Greater Los Angeles and the Taiwanese American Chamber of Commerce of North America for, as was mentioned, making a difference in the lives globally, but especially making the difference in the lives of Riversiders. God bless you for your service to humanity.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Here's another copy.
Okay, thank you.
I wish. And you met Ching?
Yes, I just visited her very successful company.
Yeah.